Alright everyone, let's dive into the amazing celebration of the Senegal soccer team. First up, we see the players stepping onto the podium, so proud, receiving their medals. Look at their faces. You can just feel the gratitude radiating from them. It's a moment they've worked so hard for. The energy is just electric. They're dancing, they're wearing their medals, and they are absolutely owning the field. It's pure joy and excitement. The fans are going wild in the stadium, waving flags and cheering them on. What a sight! Now, it's time for the official honors. We see the players shaking hands with officials, showing respect and sportsmanship, and of course, a little kiss for the trophy. This is what it's all about, right here. The moment we've all been waiting for. Gullibilly, number 3, is up there shaking hands, and then the trophy. Seeing them hold that golden trophy is just incredible. You can feel the weight of their accomplishment, the culmination of all their hard work. Confetti is falling, the champion's sign is shining bright, and the team is going absolutely wild. They earned this moment, every single bit of it. What a fantastic display of teamwork, dedication, and pure passion. What a team.